Thanks to the Home Depot Seeds program, we're looking at the Artika Swirl LED floor lamp, 1400 lumen. It can be dimmed via the floor switch. Let's take a look. Opening the box reveals a foam pad at the bottom, cardboard insulation on top. We see the swirled lamp. Doesn't look like we're going to need any assembly. We just need to remove all these foams. There's some super dry to keep it free from moisture during shipment. After removing some additional foam and cardboard inserts, we see that there is a base, and it's actually attached to the swirl. Here's the power supply that has a switch for dimming. Then we see the actual LED swirl. So I guess all we have to do is just lift this out. The base is kind of heavy. That's where all the weight is, which is a good thing because this is a pretty tall lamp. It comes with a polarized 2-prong plug, a class 2 driver that maxes out at 23 watts for the LED, and it's just a simple slide. You get a red LED for indication, and then you come to a metal base. The swirl itself is actually plastic, both on the black part and on the white where the LED is going to shine through. There's a couple of cross members to make it rigid, and then you have an open spire at the top. With nothing to assemble, we just plug it in. We immediately get a red tally light, and if we slide just a little bit, the unit turns on. With the dimmer set at the low end, color temperature is 3000 K. It's not adjustable, so it appears as a soft white light. Let's drive up the dimmer and see how bright it gets. At full brightness, we're at 1400 lumen, with a lamp life estimated at 50,000 hours. Because of the nature of this diffused light, it's hard to get a shadow cast. Because this is the driver, it'll get warm to the touch, as will the lights if you run them at full, but it's not hot, it's just a nice little warmth to it. And I think the spiral lamp just looks awesome, especially in an area that features some glass, black, and chrome. I really love the fact that it's so diffused that it really doesn't cast shadows. Well, I think this is a really great floor lamp. About the only negative that I think anyone might have with it is the fact that when you dim, it only goes to a very low level, but it won't dim down further. Then it just goes into an off mode and it flashes on. So there are some LEDs that you can really bring down. This is not one of those. And I also think that the cord to the driver is a bit on the short side. I would have preferred this a little bit longer so I could place it closer to where my foot would be and further away from the lamp. But for me, those are just minor issues because I'm pretty much running this at full intensity, and I do like the fact that there is a foot switch that I can use to turn it off and on. If you found this interesting or useful, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, join the subscription team, and as always, thank you so much for watching.